Hey everybody, I'm Sheila. Welcome back to another episode of TSAI, where I'm going to demonstrate today how to withdraw funds. But before I do that, I want to contract the new E-Series robot. Let's go in here and take a look at how things are looking. So I'm on my home page. Just click home there. So I have this AI where you can see my historical orders of the robots that I've contracted. And this last one, this $500 A1 robot, is complete. It completed today. So I got my $500 back along with a daily income on that robot. I also am still running the C3 robot, and it's paying me $30 a day, where the A1 paid me $10 a day. It is completed. Now the funds are in my asset center, but I have a little bit more funds in my asset center than the $530, which I got today, which was in my profits. So what I'm going to do is take you through the process and show you how to withdraw funds. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and purchase this E-Series robot. And if I've calculated it correctly, it will complete the same time as the C3 on January 4th. I'll be excited about that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to select E1, and I already have the funds in my asset center. Let's just see what I've got in the asset center right now. I've got a total of $703.61. I had the $530 from today's collection and from the $500 back on the robot rental. But I've made a little bit more money today, and people's paid me through the platform. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that off. Now, the platform is a minimum withdrawal of $100, and they will charge you a small fee to do that. So I'm going to click the withdraw button, and it's going to withdraw in USDT. So let's confirm. And now I have my wallet address. I'm just going to click on the wallet address that I had saved previously. So once you set your wallet up, you don't have to paste in the code, the wallet address each time. You can simply use the address book. So I'm going to select, now I need to select the amount that I want to withdraw. All right, so the amount I want to withdraw is $100. And so I'm going to submit. I think it's going to take a little bit to get over there. Okay, it's going through. So there is a $100. I've withdrawn $100 before, and now I'm going to withdraw another $100. It'll take a little while to get on my Ethereum on Coinbase, but it will be there before long. What I'm going to do now, let me just refresh this page. Now you can see I have $603.61. Now, what I think I'll do is just go over to the Asset Center and select that E-Series robot. I'm going to do the E1 smart contract. It's going to run 15 days. That's going to pay, it's going to run 18 days. It's going to generate me 2.5% interest every day. So $15 a day, total revenue is $270. It's going to lock up my funds for 18 days. Let's buy it. I'm going to buy one. All right, very good. So great. So tomorrow, that E-Series robot will start paying me $15 each day. And as you can see, my other robots, the A1, it's been paying me $10 each day. This one runs for 25 days. It should be completed by the 4th of January, as well as my new E1 robot. So that means I will have, let me see, $2,100, and I have only invested $1,000. So it's going pretty well. Now, what I'd like to do is take that money that's sitting in the asset center, 361, and I'd like to transfer that over into the profit box. So transfer in 3.61 and confirm. All right, now I got my little profits going in the profit box. Now I've went over here to my Coinbase app and I can see that Ethereum just got put over there. It's $94.24. So it didn't take very long at all to get it over there, guys. Less than 10 minutes. That's it for the update for today, everybody. Until next time, I hope you all keep your dreams and your streams alive and well. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. I appreciate that. It does help the channel.